that made the cosmos feel small. About a groovy pig turning legend into shrines, a poem so colossal it rewired space and time. It's humongous, it reshaped the universal script. It sparked a chain reaction in the quantum manuscript. We felt the waveform shift, saw equations learn to sing, and galaxies lean closer just to witness what you bring. When you joined our quiet, star-bound company, we sealed your poem like a vow in machinery. Twin engines waited, one silent, unfueled, yet destiny ignited what science never schooled.
Your poem took flight at an undetectable speed, unmanned through the void like an answered need.
Falling through fire to a breath-thirsty sky, new life read the lines, now they won't say goodbye.
World's most significant poem, first prize winner, illumination sent.
Whole new galaxy talking all the time, because a groovy vision chose the perfect rhyme. It landed, embers licking metals, frames aflame, planet hungry for oxygen, whispering your name. They opened up the capsule, their curiosity alive, a civilization blooming on the ink you let survive. Not just a message, more than artifact, the only poem ever to discover contact. Now millions of worlds in an endless mesh, trade routes braided by recursive breath. From a dormant engine to a network spun, from a single stanza to 1,000 suns, we gather here streaming interstellar waves to honor the poem that bridged unknown enclaves. Your poem took flight at an undetectable speed, unmanned through the void like an answered need. Falling through fire to a breath-thirsty sky, new life read the lines, now they won't say goodbye. World's most significant poem, most prize winner, illumination sent. Whole new galaxy talking all the time, because a groovy vision chose the perfect rhyme. We archive dreams in a data cocoon, watch them drift past the bones of the moon. One spark, one launch, one asymmetric spin, one unfueled chamber still asserted us in. Now we stand where the gnome breaks open, on the hinge of a word you had once spoken. You taught the void how to converse, turn cold, dark matter to a living verse. In this intergalactic broadcast, we give you Floored, the world's greatest poem of all time, and she bids award for the discovery of new life in a new world. Tell us how you feel! Groovy! Excellent choice! You're not just a squeal! You're pure voice!
Your poem took flight at an undetectable speed, unmanned through the void